The 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is here to prove that American muscle isn't just about raw power, it's about precision, luxury, and track-ready performance all wrapped into one breathtaking package. This high-performance sedan, finished in an eye-catching phantom blue, is Cadillac's ultimate statement in speed, aggression, and luxury. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the CT5-V Blackwing commands attention with its bold black mesh grille featuring the Cadillac logo, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted hood with functional vents that scream performance. The aerodynamic front splitter and large air intakes hint at the beast lurking beneath the hood, while the wide stance and muscular lines reinforce its track-ready presence. This is not just another luxury sedan, it's a supercharged powerhouse built to dominate both the road and the racetrack. Under the hood, the 2025 CT5-V Blackwing is powered by a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that produces an earth-shattering 668 horsepower and 659 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse sends all that raw energy to the rear wheels through either a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic or a driver-focused 6-speed manual transmission. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.4 seconds, the Blackwing is not only one of the fastest American sedans ever made but also a true rival to European high-performance machines. Cadillac's magnetic ride control ensures that every bit of power is transferred smoothly to the pavement, delivering a driving experience that balances explosive acceleration with razor-sharp handling. Whether you're tearing up a racetrack or cruising on the highway, the CT5-V Blackwing delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience every time you get behind the wheel. The aggressive styling of the Blackwing is more than just for show, every element of its design has been meticulously engineered for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. The side profile reveals a perfect blend of muscle and sophistication, with aerodynamic side skirts, lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, and red Brembo brake calipers that provide jaw-dropping stopping power. At the back, the signature vertical LED taillights, quad exhaust system, and carbon fiber rear diffuser create an unmistakable high-performance look. The subtle lip spoiler isn't just for aesthetics, it helps generate downforce to keep this beast planted at high speeds. Every inch of this car exudes confidence, aggression, and speed, making it a true American muscle sedan like no other. Step inside, and the CT5-V Blackwing welcomes you with a driver-focused cockpit that blends cutting-edge technology with handcrafted luxury. The premium leather and Alcantara sports seats, complete with contrast stitching, provide the perfect mix of comfort and support, keeping you firmly in place during aggressive driving. The flat-bottom suede-wrapped steering wheel, featuring AV series badge and performance controls, gives you complete command over this high-powered machine. The fully digital instrument cluster, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, and carbon fiber accented center console create a futuristic yet performance-driven interior. Cadillac has also integrated an advanced head-up display, keeping critical performance data right in your line of sight so you can stay focused on the road ahead. Ambient lighting adds a modern touch, while the metal paddle shifters and precision-crafted gear selector reinforce the Blackwing's track-inspired nature. But the CT5-V Blackwing isn't just about brute force, it's packed with cutting-edge technology that enhances both performance and daily driving convenience. The car features an advanced electronic limited slip differential that intelligently distributes power to the rear wheels for maximum traction. The magnetic ride control system continuously adapts to road conditions, providing the perfect balance between comfort and performance. The Blackwing also comes with a customizable drive mode selector, allowing drivers to fine-tune the suspension, steering, and exhaust settings to match their driving style. Whether you're in tour mode for daily comfort or track mode for all-out performance, the CT5-V Blackwing is ready to deliver an unmatched driving experience. Cadillac has also ensured that the 2025 CT5-V Blackwing remains a leader in driver assistance and safety technology. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a high-definition 360-degree camera system. The combination of high-performance engineering and state-of-the-art safety features makes this sedan not only a track monster but also a practical daily driver for those who refuse to compromise on excitement. The 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is a car that defies expectations. It's not just another luxury sedan, it's a statement. A statement that American performance cars are here to compete with the best in the world. With its bold styling, mind-blowing power, advanced technology, and track-focused engineering, This is the ultimate muscle sedan for those who demand the thrill of high-performance driving without sacrificing comfort and luxury. The CT5-V Blackwing is more than just a car, it's an experience, a piece of American automotive history that will leave a lasting impact. Auto Igniters brings you the latest on this high-powered beast, so stay tuned for more in-depth coverage of the most exciting cars hitting the mark.